I wake up slowly in the morning. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. The world feels quiet and calm. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I feel fresh and ready to start my day. I make my breakfast and eat slowly. I enjoy the taste of warm food. I put on my shoes and get ready for school. The air outside feels cool and peaceful. I walk to school and listen to the sounds around me. Birds sing softly. Cars pass by on the street. I see my friends walking too. We smile and say hello. My school building looks big and strong. I walk inside and feel happy to learn. I greet my teacher with a gentle smile. I sit at my desk and open my notebook. I hold my pen carefully in my hand. I take a moment to breathe before I start writing. I listen carefully when my teacher speaks. Every word feels important. I repeat new words softly in my mind. I raise my hand when I want to answer. Sometimes I make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes help me grow. I learn something new every single day. I love learning English. The sound of English words feels powerful. I repeat sentences again and again. I practice speaking with my own voice. I use my dictionary to understand meanings. I read slowly and clearly. I speak with calm energy. My teacher helps me when I feel lost. My classmates are kind and friendly. We help each other learn. During lunch, I sit with my best friend. We talk, laugh, and share stories. I feel happy when I'm with my friends. After lunch, I return to class and open my book again. I focus on every sentence I read. I try to understand not only the words, but the feeling. English is more than grammar. It is connection. It is expression. It is power. I listen to English songs to learn pronunciation. I repeat the lyrics slowly and clearly. I watch English videos to hear real conversations. I shadow the voice I hear. I copy the rhythm and the emotion. I speak out loud with confidence. I don't rush. I take my time. Every word is a step forward. I believe in slow, focused practice. I study a little every day. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. I use my notebook to write new sentences. I write neatly and clearly. I check my spelling twice. I correct my mistakes gently. I talk to myself in English when I am alone. I describe what I see. I say, the sky is blue. The air feels cool. I feel calm. This helps me think in English. I read simple stories and repeat each line. I practice pronunciation again and again. My English gets smoother each day. I listen to myself and notice progress. I smile because I am improving. I am proud of my effort. I keep learning even when it feels hard. I believe in myself. I know I can do it. I don't compare myself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. I just keep moving forward, one word at a time. I repeat sentences until they sound natural. I shadow native speakers slowly. I match their rhythm, tone, and pause. I want my English to sound alive, calm, and confident. I practice deep breathing before I speak. It makes my voice strong and clear. I relax my shoulders and speak from my chest. My words flow more naturally. I enjoy the sound of my own progress. I know my English is growing. I trust the process. I take one step every day. I know success will come. I am learning something new right now. I am improving my pronunciation. I am building my confidence. I am learning to express myself freely. I am becoming fluent, slowly and surely. I believe in my voice. I believe in my journey. I will keep going, no matter how long it takes. I will not stop learning. I will speak English with confidence and calmness. I will enjoy every word I say. I will share my thoughts clearly. I will connect with others through English. I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming fluent step by step. Every sentence I repeat makes me stronger. Every word I speak makes me better. This is my practice. This is my journey. This is my voice.